So in this video we're gonna give you guys a little tour of all of Venetian. We're gonna head down to the shops, maybe eat at a couple restaurants for the next 72 hours here in the Venetian. Gonna probably head to the pool and give you guys a grand tour of the gym. The Venetian has one of the best gyms here in Las Vegas, so really excited to show you guys that. Alright guys, so follow us along on this vlog and journey through the Venetian. Oh hey, what's up guys? Welcome to DVW Cribs. Let's go. This is my crib for the next 3 days. We're in the Venetian Towers on the Las Vegas Strip, and we got this grand room right here. Okay, so this is called the Luxury King Suite. So why don't you guys come along with me? Let me give you guys a little tour. So this is the bathroom right here. I love Venetian. We stayed here a couple times before. It's always very lush, grand, always gilded in gold. Looks nice. So this is the most important area right here. The toilet should be nice and clean for after the food vlogs. And we got the little bubble bath here. We got the bathtub. Let's see how big it is. Hop in here. Alright, good enough for one. Okay. Do a little dip. Oh, good tricep workout. A lot of mirrors. Got another mirror right here for the makeup and hair tutorials. Got this nice full fit check mirror right here.
Nice shot of
okay.
your DVW shirt.
Ooh, we got the closet right here. Got the ironing board, the iron, a couple hangers for our dress clothes. Got a safe, of course. It's our nice bed. It's nice and big. Very plush. Got a little bench right here for us to watch a TV on. See if there's a refrigerator. So, got some drawers here. Let's open the drapes. Full automatic service. Gonna step down. Got a little living room area here. Got a table to eat the leftovers at. Got a table right here to edit the videos. Handle the work right here. Nice, nice. Got a little phone call for that room service life. And here's our view of some more Venetian towers.
We have a nice view of the Mirage.
But other than that, if you guys are wondering about the price of this room, it was about $352 including resorts fees for every night for 3 nights, so a regular weekday. So the prices may vary, but honestly we found a crazy deal online. Leia found it for us, so we booked a secret room on Vegas.com where we didn't know what the room was, but it was pretty obvious that it was the Venetian. It was $68 a night excluding the resorts fees, as compared to $252 a night on the regular website. So we got almost 75% off, so it's pretty good. You gotta check my math. But yeah guys, we are here. We just put down our stuff, so we're about to settle in and shoot some more food vlogs for you guys. So check out our food vlogs and let's go tour the Venetian. So we're at this place named Canaletto, and it is an Italian spot right in the middle of the Venetian shops, Grand Canal Square right here. So you can see some gondolas over here, some shops. This is very aesthetic, so that's why we chose this place, just for a casual brunch. This kind of emulates like a Italian vibe. I've actually ate at a square in Italy and it's very similar to this. I think you come here for the food, you guys come here for the vibes, alright? Because you just people watch, you know, relax outside, and have a nice lunch, brunch with the view. Alright, one other thing that I really like about the Venetian is that they have so many food options, and we just walked downstairs to the Grand Canal Shops. This is the Grand Canal Shops food court. They have a bunch of options here. They have some Brazilian barbecue, halo halo for the Filipino food. We're not gonna get anything on this trip here, but if you want to see more of us trying the Filipino food at halo halo, check out Jaycation's video. I'm featured in that if you guys want a little taste of the food court. Plus they have another food court downstairs at the casino floor. So yeah guys, I feel like the Venetian is a great foodie hotel and resort.
I like that they have them all on Restaurant Row. It's really easy to find. Not like the Caesars.
So I really believe the Venetian has some of the best restaurants and casual eats when it comes to Vegas hotels. You have so many options to choose from in one hotel, so you really don't have to leave if you don't want to. On this trip, we went to Black Tap Burgers and Shakes and the Delmonico Steakhouse, but we have tried much more spots in the Venetian, and I don't even think we even scratched the surface. Some other places we've been to in the Venetian were Lobster Me, Carlo's Bakery, Canaletto's, and Lavo. I'll link all the videos of the Venetian restaurants that we went to in depth down below. Alright y'all, so we're just exploring the Grand Canal shops at the Venetian. Just had dinner at the Emeralds at the Restaurant Row, and now this is like the connection to the Grand Canal shops and the Venetian and the Palazzo. There's other restaurants upstairs, a couple floors, and yeah, there's a lot of places to take photos. There's this little love sign in here with the waterfalls, and just a really nice aesthetic area in general for the selfies. Alright y'all, so we made it to the pool, so now we got some beach chairs, we got a lounge, get some sun in and enjoy the views. Gonna get a nice tan too. It is absolutely scorching out here guys, 106 degrees. Just took a dip in the pool to cool off, and now we're gonna chill.
If you ever come to the Venetian, they have really comfortable seats. Like, they're very cushiony, very nice.
What time is it?
So it's open from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. As I see the Caesars Palace like in the distance, it just makes me think that like the Venetian is just like such a better hotel. Like the pool is nicer, it's less crowded. Pretty close up. The chairs are nicer. Like I don't know, something about Caesars was too big. I don't know. I can't put my finger on it, but this is just like, I think it tops it.
The Caesars Palace was definitely bigger. There was more pools, it was grander, more people as well, and very touristy. Not that that's a bad thing, but I feel like the Venetian just has more quality and class. Yeah, class. Especially the gym. I didn't like the Caesars Palace gym at all. Alright, what's up y'all? It's day 2, 7 a.m. About to head to a gym, and I'm about to show you guys something. So I've been here a couple times. The Venetian definitely has the best gym all around that I've ever been to, let alone Las Vegas. So we're about to get to the gym, get some gains, and I'm about to show you guys how nice their gym is, guys. Really excited. Let's do it. All right, look at this, y'all. They got a freaking climbing wall here, guys. So got a CrossFit room in here. Recovery. The cardio room right here. For you to burn off the food vlog calories. Right here. No shortage of machines. Got a little aerobics room right here. Got some massage guns for rent right here to recover from the brutal workouts. Again guys, it's the best hotel gym I've been in. Look at this, they got a bunch of comprehensive machines. I could get a nice juicy workout in here, guys. Has everything you need. It's like an amusement park for meatheads, guys. Let's get this workout in. That's when you know that they invested heavily into this gym, because not only do they have like a weight room, LA fitness area for the bodybuilders, they got the CrossFit area for everybody who's trying to get a sweat in, trying to get it in with some CrossFit. This spot is really cool right here. When I need to do some leg squats, deadlifts, this is where I go to, the power rack. Alright guys, so we have been actually swimming at the main pool, the level 4 pool this whole time, but we heard there's a 10th level pool, so we're going on a little adventure right now, down the hall on the 10th floor to find the Venezia pool garden, and we found it. It is right here. Alright, let's go. Ooh, it is nice. The architecture looks very Venezia-esque in here. Venezia-esque. We found the secret pool, guys. This pool is definitely way more calm than the other public pool. This one's public too, but I mean, I guess people just a lot of people don't know about this place, but the secret's out, guys. So that is it for our stay at the Venetian. Definitely had a great time. One of my favorite hotels in Las Vegas, and a great hotels for foodies. But yeah, guys, if you like this video, please like it. Comment down below what you thought of this video and the Venetian if you have stayed there before, and subscribe for more DBW vlogs. Deuces. Wow, that was beautiful.